it's a market. It's not for. It is known for its markets.
Mm-hmm.
Open air market.
Wow.
And here you can get fresh fruit, fresh vegetables from inside there.
Mm-hmm.
Very fresh fruit. So I stopped by when going home because my home is this way,
Mm-hmm.
and buy some of the things that we don't have.
Nice.
At home. And then you can see the tower, the Mormon tower.
Oh, right there.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. You knew right where you were going.
The Mormons.
Yes, we are. No.
It's a little tiny church. It only has like 17 people. The whole wide world.
People confuse the Mormons with
Oh, that makes sense.
With what?
Jehovah's Witness.
Oh, yeah. It's nothing similar.
Yes, I know it's nothing similar, but the house to house ministry is what
Yep.
makes them
Mhm.
confuse the two.
Easy to confuse.
That's it's pretty.
So is this a fairly nice neighborhood?
Yes,
Part of
very
it,
nice.
okay.
It's called the Mountain View
Mhm.
Estate. It's
Mountain
called the
View
Mountain View Estate because if you come here at around 7,
Uh-huh.
you can see Mount Kenya from here.
Oh, really?
Yes. So one remarkable thing about Mount Kenya and Mount Kilimanjaro, they are the only mountains in the whole world on the equator that
Have snow.
snow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya.
Wow. Wow. One thing I have been surprised about in all of our travels is the number of paint stores I've seen and advertisements for paint.
Paint.
Crown paint
Yes.
and many other types of paint. What's that?
Duracoat paint.
Say that again.
Duracoat. That's a
Uh,
brand and a competitor to Crown.
oh.
Oh,
Yes.
right over there, Duracoat.
Oh, okay.
And Basco paint.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So it's because Nairobi is growing very fast.
Mm-hmm.
And part of that growing is mostly construction.
Uh-huh.
So with the new construction, all these paints are competing very hard for to gain popularity.
Right. Okay. Yeah. We would be in the middle of nowhere, no big towns around, and there would be signs for, a paint store and say, make your house bright or something like that.
Yes.
And yeah.
I don't like getting on to making U-turns.
Yeah.
Where people make U-turns. I want to go to the official.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. And I've been impressed with how cleanly people dress, especially the women. They're very bright clothing and
They look nice.
yeah, very nice. So are these shops and where people live?
These are shops.
Just shops.
Yes.
This is not where you normally take the company van, right?
Well, there are times when we come, not many times,
Uh-huh.
but there is an institution that there's a group of visitors to the hotel that come on the institution that is on the other end,
Mm-hmm.
and we normally take this. There's no other route.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. My colleague has a small eating space here, and he gets a lot of business from this university.
Oh, really?
Here, the Mount Kenya Hotel.
Mhm.
It's his
That's
smallest
his
restaurant.
And hotel means restaurant here, unlike...
Yes.
Okay.
When it gets like it has been last 2 months, they start complaining that there's a lot of flooding, and they are the very ones that have taken the wet area.
What, in May? Was it in May?
Yes, May. April and May. April and May, yes. So there remains the dam,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So all this area was swampy.
Mm-hmm.
Small churches.
Churches.
Churches. And some informal settlements too.
Pentecostal.
Yeah. Then the Pentecost.
Some people out boating. And there's laundry. Are some of these houses?
Yes. But they are doing their own laundry.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a motor garage. This is where they do the graffiti, the with the airbrush.
Oh,
Yeah, on the-
to
on-
do
on-
the designs.
Yes, on the buses. It's an open field, but a lot going on.
They're talented people
Yes.
who can do that.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
I'm impressed with the welding and woodwork that's done on uneven ground, and it looks like it's pretty true and square.
Yes. I am trying my hand on woodworking. Of late, I've come to love woodwork.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Playing with wood, yes. I don't know much, but I've got basic tools,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm always on YouTube videos
Oh,
learning
yeah.
on the new skill.
So what are your basic tools that you have for woodworking?
And, I started with the basics like this, the saw,
Just a regular saw? Mhm.
regular saw, yes, and power drill,
Okay.
a crow hammer,
Yeah.
yeah, just basic.
Yeah.
Yes, but as I progress, I'll continue buying even the more modern
Mhm.
tools. It's something that I have developed for the last about 2 years, because it's when then I moved back to the farm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you kind of have a need to do those
Yeah,
things.
yes. When living on a farm requires that you do some of the stuff instead of looking for a carpenter to do all that for you.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are lots of repairs and
Yep.
all
Plus, there's a certain satisfaction that comes from doing it yourself.